Hello and happy Friday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. The date is December 27th, 2024, and our tip today comes from Anatomy of a Personal Injury Lawsuit. It's a book that has many different contributors, and this quote is from the chapter Opening Statement by Randy McGinn and Peter Perlman. You must introduce the elements of your case, the villain, hero, theory, and themes. You need to tell the jurors why they should care about what happened and how to fix the injustice that has occurred in a way that protects their community. Yeah, a lot there, right? The different elements of a story, which we need to have. And then what's very important is to build within that story, why does this matter? Why is this case important? What should motivate the jury to return a verdict in your client's favor that helps make the community safer? Doing so in a proper way, not using improper arguments, but keeping that in mind, how we're framing the case. What motivates a jury beyond the facts of this case? Can they see themselves and other community members in this case? Again, I'm not saying to make a golden rule argument. And why is the golden rule telling the jury, what if this happened to you? Why is that not permitted in evidence? It wasn't always that way. I believe it's not permitted in evidence because it's just too powerful. As soon as you do it, the jurors lean toward and recognize your client. It'll be interesting. I'm actually not so sure about that. That's a little bit cynical when I'm saying I think it was too powerful, so the insurance lobby and defense lobby got rid of it. There's the last trial I had, the defense got up and started their argument saying, imagine if you'd been sued. I probably could have asked for a mistrial, but it went pretty well. I didn't. What would be wrong with letting both sides argue that? Interesting discussion. Put some thoughts in the comments if you have any thoughts or feelings about that. And that's clearly the rules we have now in every court I know of. You can't make this argument. Put yourself in the shoes of the plaintiff. Okay, those are the rules. We'll live by them. And still, it's impossible to present a case to a jury without it triggering memories, experiences in their own lives. That's just the way the human mind works. So can we present the case in a way that is not so specific to our client that it precludes the jury from seeing themselves in that situation? That's something to think about. How do we motivate the jurors to show this situation deserves you addressing? Justice can only be done by you returning a verdict, and that justice is not just for my client, but it actually stands for a greater good in society. Let's take a pause and take a deep breath together as we go into this Friday, into this weekend, and just be grateful to be alive. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world, reduce suffering in our lives, the lives of our clients, the lives of everybody we touch. May the work we do help repair the world. May the work that we do exemplify law at its highest ideals of bringing honor and truth to the world. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just listen to the sounds. Let them wash over you and remind you it's Friday. Wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.